I've been doing less Cronos videos lately because I've been talking a lot about Cronos on my live streams. We did a nice episode of the Crowcast. If you don't know what that is, check out Oscar Ramos' channel. We just did a video collaboration with him, Coin Baron, myself, and Black Sea the other day, talking about all things going on Cronos. And today I want to explore the charts with you guys, showing my screen, talking about why a 12-cent crow is on the table. Now, if Bitcoin finds a bottom here, and it looks like it might be, we could be heading up, and CRO Coin doesn't have to go down to 12 cents again. I would like to see that. I think we could see that. I feel optimistic in that could be the case, but I have to leave the possibility for 12 cents and explain why in this video. I also want to talk to you guys about the Cronos memes. Everybody knows that Crow with Knife started the meme coin mania on Cronos. And if you're not already aware, I believe that meme coins are important for the Cronos ecosystem. You could have the best technology in the world. You could have the best blockchain in the world with the easiest wallet, with the best user interface. That's fine, but you need users. How do you get users? Those components are important, but you need excitement. You need the smell of money. People need to see people making money. People need to see there's a successful ecosystem like you've seen with Solana. Crow with Knife started the meme coin mania on Cronos, which was awesome. That community is very strong, but we've had other community tokens that have come up, like Mary, and there's others. They're very low market cap. Right now, Mary and Ka are the only two community meme coins that are above 10 million market cap. So really the only two that I discuss on the channel, frequently, because they're kind of the lifeblood of Cronos right now. Those two communities tend to quarrel a little bit. I think that we should all get along. I've talked about this, but a little friendly competition's fun, but we want this whole ecosystem to succeed. I want Crow with Knife to succeed. I want Mary to succeed. And then I want all these other community memes to succeed. I think there's an exchange listing coming soon. I've been talking about this. It might not, guys. I could be wrong. I've laid out some evidence, but I want to talk to you guys about that as well. So I got a lot to talk about. 12-cent Crow, meme coins, the health of the Cronos ecosystem. We've seen a lot of things, great things happen recently with the CEO, Chris Marszalek, actually meeting with the U.S. president. That's been great. So let's hop into this video. I got a lot to get through. Stick around to the end. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into this one. By the way, if you're a member on our channel, you get access to the videos earlier than non-members. This video is now public. For those of you guys that are not members and you're watching this the first time, note that our members got to watch this video about 7 hours before the public. So if you want to be able to see this video right as it comes out, you guys can become a member in the link down below as well. Let's talk a little bit about the charts. So Bitcoin's fine. Bitcoin's back to 97K, which is great. Ethereum is at 3,300. Ethereum's still struggling. So if you're super frustrated, you're watching CRO Coin struggle right now, and you're like, what's going on with CRO? Well, remember that Bitcoin dipped a good 15% from its recent high at 108K. You saw Ethereum, and actually I should pull up the Ethereum chart as well, just so you guys really see this. If you could see that Ethereum dipped even bigger than Bitcoin, because that's how this thing works, a whopping 24% from its high, its most recent high. You'll see that CRO Coin, this is actually interesting. I'm going to be curious to see what this says. Dropped a big 40%, and that all makes sense. Here's how this works, guys. If you're not already aware of this, you should be aware of this. In a crypto bull market, in crypto, period, if Bitcoin falls, Ethereum should fall more. If Bitcoin and Ethereum fall, altcoins that are smaller than Bitcoin and Ethereum, like CRO, should fall even more than that. CRO Coin's down 40% to Ethereum's 30% to Bitcoin's 15%. That is how this works. So we slipped down through this level. And we were talking about this trend line. We said we could be in some trouble if we break down below this trend line. And I had some targets that even come down to the 12-cent level potentially. We don't have to come there. We could be finding a stopping zone here. Here's why. Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is actually looking a little scary for CRO right now at the time of this recording. Yesterday, we were looking hopeful because we had a daily candle close below this range. We're not out of the woods yet, but we're also not in trouble yet. Bitcoin dominance is climbing back up again today at the time of this recording. I would hope to see, and my heart of hearts, I would believe that it is very possible that we could see this candle close below 60%. I've got a feeling. I hope that's the case. I could be wrong. If Bitcoin dominance comes higher, CRO Coin could come down to 12 cents. If Bitcoin dominance comes down, CRO Coin could be finding a bottom here. I think Bitcoin dominance is topping out, but you have to be cautious here. This one's a hard one to really make a call on. It's really hard to make a call on this one, guys. But the warning for today is, if Bitcoin dominance keeps going up, CRO Coin could easily come back down. It already hit 14 cents on a wick. It could easily come back down to 12 cents and maybe even wick lower, but I think we get daily candle closes above this range. I don't expect us to go down to 10 cents again. It's possible, but 12 cents is my next key range. If we break down below that, then it's 10 cents. Bitcoin dominance is back up to 59% right now. This is crazy. I hope that this thing turns red today. I believe that it could. I think we're getting some mind games, but this is why I feel good about a potential bottom, but I'm also skeptical. You've got the total market cap that's right now bouncing off the 3 trillion previous peak from November 2021 in this Nike swoosh pattern. The only problem with this is this. It's only a wick on the daily candle. I'd feel more comfortable, to be honest with you guys, if we had a daily candle close bounce or one or two off of the previous high. I know we want to see it go straight up, but I feel more comfortable to call a bottom if we had the daily candle close. We don't need the daily candle close. And in my heart of hearts, I feel like we should keep going up, which is why I feel like maybe this turns red today. Or at the very least, the daily candle does not close higher than this. It could be a green candle, but it just needs to stay below 59%. If Bitcoin dominance fills this wick, CRO Coin's coming back down. Now, I believe that we're going to see a $1 CRO Coin easily in this bull market. In fact, I believe we could see a $2 to $5 CRO Coin in this bull market because I believe that once this total market cap breaks through 3 trillion truly and we see our total market cap do this V-shaped recovery, bounce, Nike swoosh pattern as I've been talking about, I think we can go to $10 trillion, hundreds of billions of dollars can flow into crypto. And when you realize what CRO Coin is, being a top exchange, right now the leading exchange in the US, they are one of the first exchanges for their leader to have a photo with the new president of the United States since he's been elected. This is a big deal, guys. They dropped their lawsuit against the SEC. They're getting cozy with the U.S. government, a very pro-crypto U.S. government these days. It's at a $4 billion market cap. If CRO Coin gets up to a $100 billion market cap, guys, you got tremendous gains ahead. You got your dollar at that point. At that point, you've got your $2. In fact, if CRO Coin goes to a $100 billion market cap, you've got a $4 CRO. That is achieving the current market cap of Binance. And if you just take a peek, we've talked about that a lot. It could potentially do that one day. Another thing I want to remind you guys is total value locked up in crypto is going to continue to climb, which means people like DeFi. The Cronos chain is a very nice and easy to use chain. The DeFi wallet, the on-chain wallet for CRO is great. It's easily integratable with the crypto.com app. I think when retail comes into the crypto space, when they search crypto on Google, they're going to find crypto.com. When they search crypto in the App Store, they're going to find crypto.com. When you realize that you can just do a downloadable DeFi wallet that's super integratable with the crypto.com exchange app that we have already, it's super easy to use. There's a world where I see Cronos getting back into the top 10. At one point, Cronos was a top 10 blockchain. And they're doing upgrades. The Cronos ZK EVM chain is really great. It's been really successful. They got a lot of great things. The user interface is awesome, but we need some excitement. So that brings me over to looking at the TVL at 545 million. I think it's going to climb higher. I think it's going to be above $1 billion in this bull market. I think that the total market cap for CRO could be above 100 billion, and I think that we could get over $5 billion in TVL in the Cronos ecosystem at some point in this bull market. I think it's possible. We see right now 8 billion in Solana. I think that's going to go a lot higher. Maybe we only see 2 or 3 billion in this peak for Cronos. I don't know what it's going to look like for TVL. That's a hard one to predict. But I do believe that I think Cronos could come back into the top 10. The catalyst would be meme coins on Cronos succeeding again. Right now, actually, we're getting a really nice pump out of the Mystery Mary token, which is fantastic. There are rumors over a potential exchange listing. Right now, this coin is up 14% today. It's getting a pump right now at the time of this recording. It's been coming down quite a bit lately, but so has everything. You saw the Capybara coin launch. This coin got up to a $2 billion market cap. It's kind of holding a floor very strong right here around 500, 600, 700 million dollars. Even though the total market was coming down. Capybara and balls are different. These are not community memes, okay? These are not true community memes. If you're a holder of that, I'm not flooding the bags. I'm just saying it how it is. Community memes are people from the community that are not companies, that just are people that launch coins, and then organically people from the Crow fam start supporting it, like you had very successfully with Crow with Knife, which is holding its price very well right now. It's been steadily around the $30 million market cap all the way since August. It's just been trading sideways, which is fine. It's already got a crypto.com exchange listing. When it did get listed on crypto.com, this coin did a 10x. It was incredible. I believe that Mary can get listed. The leader of this project, David, is saying that there's a quote-unquote secret weapon that is going to get deployed in December. Could that be a crypto.com exchange listing? It could. Could that produce gains like we saw with Crow with Knife? It could. Is that a guarantee? No, nothing's a guarantee in crypto. Why do I care so much about these memes? Why do I want these memes to be successful? Well, full disclosure, I own some Mystery Mary token. I also at one point owned some Crow with Knife token. And I saw the writing on the wall. I had a feeling that Crow with Knife was going to get listed. I caught this pump. I made some good money on that pump personally. I know people in my audience made some good money on that. I think Crow with Knife has a bright future. But why I'm so excited about Mary right now is because it's not yet listed on crypto.com. And naturally, I believe that it's going to be the next big meme on Cronos to get listed on crypto.com, the next big community meme to get listed. And what I hope that does is I hope that pumps the entire Cronos ecosystem. Because if you want CRO Coin to go up, and you want this Cronos ecosystem to climb, and you want Cronos chain to come up into the top 10 in TVL, and you want the Cronos token to be used as gas, more crypto.com users owning CRO Coin, more Cronos chain users coming into the ecosystem using the Cronos token, which is the gas utility token for the network, integrating with the protocols. We want more developers to come. If you want all these things, you need some excitement. And the meme coins, whether you like them or not, is where it happens. That's my belief. That's my opinion. That's how I feel. I think we're going to see crypto.com list Mary, possibly even in 2024. It might not happen, guys. I'm not giving you financial advice. Please be aware of that right now. If you want to trade some of the volatility on CRO, some people are looking for places to leverage trade CRO Coin. You can trade it on Blowfin, up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you do sign up. Check out the link in the description, guys. It's a 10% discount on trading fees right now. When you get in there and you take advantage of the offer while it's still there, you get grandfathered in that 10% discount for life. If you want to trade, grow, Bitcoin, Pepe, whatever your favorite coins are, guys, they have pretty much all of it on Blowfin. I'm bullish on crypto.com's CRO Coin. I think that right now there is a chance we could be seeing a bottom for total market cap, but we have to remain cautious because the real name of the game is Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin dominance slips, we could see CRO Coin absolutely come back up, break 20 cents and move to 30, maybe even before, hopefully, before the end of the year. That'd be great. But Bitcoin dominance really needs to slip. I think in 2025, we have a strong chance, in my opinion, of not only a dollar CRO, but I really believe in a $2 CRO, and we could potentially go higher. But we need some of those things to happen. We need a successful Cronos ecosystem. I think that means successful memes, and I think it's possible. I want to know what you guys think, though. By the way, if you like this video and you want it early, you get access. If you're a member on our channel, as soon as we record these things, we're posting them live for our members, so you get some of the TA that we're drawing in the moment as it's happening in real time. We have to, in order to get content out for different communities, post our videos a little bit earlier. We pre-record some of them. So some of the videos are going to come out right as we record them, like my first video today did. But I did a Jasmine video earlier that if you remember, you got a 3-hour window of private watch time. And then for this CRO Coin video, you're going to get like a 6-hour private window of watch time. So become a member if you want to on our channel. Check it out down below. That's all I got, guys. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCA. Hold on, my friends, and I will see you in the next one. Do your own research, please. Until next time, 2 videos here if you want to check them out. If you're watching on X, give us a repost. Peace, y'all. See you next time.